make TV shows? I say, yeah. Anyhow, I got to make a TV show. So TV shows, back at it. Part 3 of 3. We're going to read Avro files from S3 into Kafka. It's a little bit different than before. This connector is a commercial connector, so we're going to do it in Confluent. Again, there should be a link someplace here, wherever you're watching this, to the tutorial that goes through everything that I'm doing a little bit more serious and has the actual steps you need to run. So yeah, you've seen this already. Let's take a look at what we got. Let's start here. In the S3 Management Console, we've got a bunch of Avro files in a particular topic folder. This represents the MySQL employees table. That should be familiar from the other parts of the video. Next, we've got Confluent running. So let's take a look at the topics. And we'll see a bunch of the MySQL topics that we're pulling in from the source. Anyhow, we've got some existing topics. This matters when I show you the source file. For this S3 source, I've already installed that. I did a command like this, Confluent Hub install. And then you'll see that I chose a directory under share, I believe. Share Confluent Hub Components. There it is, the S3 source. The properties file that I'm going to be using, also available at GitHub. It is here. The link is in the tutorial link. It's going to be either up here or here at some point. I just danced a little bit, kind of like old school. Anyhow, source file here. We're going to connect to the Kafka Connect example bucket. But what we're going to do on this one is we're going to introduce a single message transform, or an SMT, right here. And what we're going to try to do here, according to this source connectors documentation, that if you attempt to write back to a topic that already has data in it, you could run into an infinite loop. So what we're going to do instead is replace the destination topic. We're going to reroute that to copy of whatever that is. So we've got data in S3 already in employees, so we should get copy of MySQL employees, right? So it's going to be, what was it again? Yeah, MySQL employees. So running it is pretty simple, right? It's just like the other ones where we load that up. We've got the source properties file that I already copied over from the GitHub, so it's just a matter of running it. We should get this response. And if things are going well, we should see the new topic, copy of. Looks pretty good. And then we could even read from it if we want with the Avro console consumer. Like so. And we should see the MySQL employees flowing through. So good. We did it. We read from S3 back to Kafka. We did it pretty quickly because I have that all set up for you on these source files, and then check out the tutorial again so you can get access to these files. Hopefully this was helpful and you enjoyed the TV show. Remember, this is part 3 of 3. If you want to see the other ones for loading from Kafka to S3, they should be, I don't know, links here or wherever you're viewing it. They should be convenient to find those links. Have a great day. See you later.